Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about exercise 13.6 from your NCERT book, that is volume of cylinder. Few of the questions are direct which you can solve on your own. For example, the first question of the exercise on page number 230. It says the circumference of the base of a cylindrical vessel is 132. This is a cylindrical vessel. Or if I talk about the glass that I was drinking water, that we use for drinking water, this is a closed cylindrical vessel. Can you see? It is closed from the base but open from the top. He says the circumference of the base of the cylindrical vessel. This is the circumference of the cylindrical vessel, 132 centimeter. So can we find the radius from here? Circumference of circle 2 pi r. We can find r, and the height is given to you 132. Sorry, height is given to you 25 centimeter. How many liters of water it can hold? The volume of cylinder. Formula for volume of cylinder: pi r square h. R will get from here. Clear? Same question is question number 8. A patient in a hospital is given soup daily in a cylindrical bowl of diameter 7. This is cylindrical glass instead of a bowl. The diameter is 7. The radius will be 7 by 2. Then he says, if the bowl is filled with the soup to a height of 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter we have filled. So can we find the volume of soup in the vessel? Again, pi r square h. But definitely, there is not one patient in the hospital, there are several number of patients. So the soup is going to be prepared for all of them. How many patients are there? He says how much soup the hospital has to prepare daily for 250 patients. Okay, find the volume of 1 multiplied by 250. Straightforward question. Question number 1 and question number 8. Now we come down to question number 4th and question number 6th. What does he say? The lateral surface area of a cylinder is 94.2 centimeters square. Again, this is the lateral surface area, curved part. How much is that? 94.2 centimeters square. Question number 4. Curved surface area of cylinder is equal to 94.2 centimeters square. Given to us. Then he says, and its height is 5 centimeter. Height of cylinder h is equal to 5 centimeter. Question says find the radius and its volume. So first of all, curved surface area is given to us. So what is the formula for curved surface area? 2 pi r h is equal to 94.2. We have h 5. Pi is given to you 3.14. Substitute it. 2 into pi 3.14 into r we do not know, h is 5 is equal to 94. Can we transpose? Find it. R is equal to 94.2 divided by 2 into 3.14 into 5. Can we do simple calculations? Remove the decimal. If I remove one decimal, we multiply denominator by 10. Here 2 decimal places removed, so we multiply numerator by 10 and 10. Cancellation 0, 0. 5 ones are 5. 2. A simple calculation will be there. 2 and 2 cancel. 314 and 942 you can divide, or you can see it is divisible by 3. 314 3s are. How sir? We do not know. Do the calculations. 2 ones are 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 7s are 14. 2 4s are 8. Right? Carry 1, 2 7s are 14, 2 1s are 2. Divisible by 3. Sorry, divisible 157. 157 goes how many times? 3 times. 157 1s are 3s are. 3 1s are 3 7s are 21, carry 1, carry 2. 3 5s are 15 and 2 17, carry 1. 3 1s are 3 and 1. So radius is equal to how much? 3 centimeters. Next he says find volume. So volume of cylinder, formula simple, pi r square h. Again pi 3.14, radius 3 into 3, height 5. Can we do the calculation? 3.14 into 3 3s are 9. 9 5s are 45. multiply 3.14 by 45. 5 4s are 20, carry 2, 5 1s are 5 into 7, 5 3s are 15, 4 5s, 4 4s are 16, carry 1, 4 1s are 4 and 1 5, 4 3s are 12, 0, 7 and 6 13, 1, 11, 1, 4 and 1. 1 4 1 3 0, decimal after 2, centimeter. This is the simple application, nothing else. Take a look at question number 6. Same. The capacity of a closed cylindrical vessel of height 1 meter is 15.4. Instead of curved surface area, capacity is given to us, that is the volume of closed cylindrical vessel is 15.4 liters. Now, volume, capacity is given to us in liters and the height is in meter. Let us convert this liter here itself. We know 1000 meter cube, liter. How do we convert liter? Liter to be converted into meter cube. 1 meter cube is equals to 1 kiloliter. Remember, 1 meter cube is equals to 1 kiloliter. Yes? So that means 1 meter cube means 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. So 100 into 100 into 100 centimeter cube is equals to 1000 liters. Yes, 1 kiloliter. For your convenience, I am writing all these so that you remember. Now convert it. So we can see 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros are gone. So 1000 centimeter cube is equals to 1 liter. Yes? Clear? Height is given to us in meter. Height of cylindrical vessel H is equals to 1 meter. Yes or no? How many square meters of metal sheet? First of all, we find the radius, volume of cylinder, pi r square h is equals to 15.4 liter. So convert liter into centimeter. So 15.4 into 1000 centimeter cube is equals to pi 22 upon 7, since value of pi is not given. R square we do not know. H is 1 meter. Again we can convert this meter into centimeter. It will be easier. 22 upon 7 into R square into 100 centimeter is equals to 15.4 into 1000 centimeter. 1 2 1 2. So R square is equals to 15.4 into 10, 154 into 7, 7 is in division, goes in multiplication, upon 20. 11 2s are 11 1s are 11, carry 4, 11 4s are 44. 2 1s are 2 7s are, so R square is equals to 49, 7 7s are 49, so therefore R is equals to 7. Radius we have, that is in centimeter. Now read the question. He says, sir, this is a closed cylindrical tank or closed cylindrical vessel. Closed means it is closed from the top. So he says how much metal sheet will be required. Clear? So will it be curved, lateral or the total? It will be total. Curved, base as well as the lid. So therefore, area of metal sheet required is equals to total surface area of cylinder. Total surface of cylinder 2 pi r into h plus r. Do we have h and r? Substitute. 2 into pi 22 upon 7 r 7 h. How much is h? 100 centimeter, because this is also in centimeter. 100 plus 7. 7 7 cancel. 22 2s are 44 into 107 centimeter square. But read the question. He says how many square meters? We need to get this into meter square. So convert the centimeter square into meter square. Again see, 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. So 1 meter square is equals to 100 into 100 centimeter square. So we will divide it by 44 into 107 upon 100 into 100 meter square. I hope you can multiply and put down 4 decimal places. Correct? So these are the two questions. Question number 6, question number 4, question number 1 you have to do, question number 8 we have discussed. Check question number 3rd. A soft drink is available in 2 packs. A tin can, rectangular base, 5 cm, 4 cm and height is 16. It is in the shape of a cuboid. The real juice that you drink at home, packed, it is cuboid shape. The dimensions are given to you, 3 cm, the length 5 cm and 4 cm and height is 16. Can we find the volume? Then he says a plastic cylindrical with circular base of diameter 7 and height 10. Again another one is in cylinder. Correct? Tin cans that we use, cold drink tin cans. So it is that he says which container has greater capacity and by how much. So one is the real juice in the form of a cuboid, length into breadth into height, dimensions are given. Another is in the form of a cylinder, dimensions are given. Find the capacity and check which is greater. You can do it very easily. Question number 4th we have discussed, 1st, 3rd, 4th, 8th we have discussed, 6th we have discussed. Take a look at question number 5. It is the same that we have done. The cost of painting is given to you. We have done this question previously also. It costs ₹2200 to paint the inner curved surface area of cylindrical vessel 10 meter deep. Question number 5. Depth of vessel is given to us. Depth of vessel, that is the height, is 10 meter. And the total cost of painting is given to us. Total cost of painting is equal to ₹2200. All of us know when we are going to paint, correct? We paint the inner curved surface area. We paint the curved surface area. He says at what rate? 20 per meter square. Rate of painting. Rate of painting is equal to ₹20 per meter square. So we know total cost, that is the rate multiplied by inner curved surface area of cylinder is equal to ₹2200. Yes or no? See, there are what other things he is telling us to find. First he tells us to find inner curved surface area of the vessel. Here is inner curved surface area. What is the rate? ₹20 multiplied by inner curved surface area is equal to 2200. Can we transpose this 20? So inner curved surface area is equal to 2200 upon 20. 0, 0, 2 ones are 2 11s are. So therefore inner curved surface area is equal to 110 meter square. First answer. First part. Then he says find the radius. Find the radius. So when we talk about the cylinder, correct? Height is given to us, that is 10 meter. And radius we have to find. Inner curved surface area formula 2 pi RH is equals to 110 meter square. Pi we know, H we know, substitute 2 into pi, 22 by 7. R we have to find, H is given to us 10. 110. Transpose the terms. So R is equals to 110 into 7 upon 2 into 22 into 10. 0 and 0 cancel. 11 ones are 11 twos are. What do I get? 7 upon 4 meter. No need to convert it into decimal. Let it be. And third part, he says find the volume. The volume of cylinder formula pi r square into h. Correct? So you can do these questions. Question number first, third, fourth, fifth, sixth and eighth. The rest of the two questions we'll be discussing, important questions we'll be discussing in the next lecture. Thank you.